It's Hayle, your neighborhood preferred realtor, and I am here meeting with Michelle, who works for Hovnanian Homes in Rolling Ridge in Van Alstyne. And so I just want to give an opportunity for you guys that are out there in the market looking for new construction to know a little bit about Van Alstyne. Maybe you haven't even heard of that location. Maybe you haven't heard about Hovnanian Homes, but we're here to give you an introduction today. So Michelle, thank you so much for taking the time to meet with me today.
And thanks for coming out.
Absolutely. I personally love this community. What can you share with our viewers today about your homes and your neighborhood? I mean, what's really driving people out here?
So it's a wonderful neighborhood. It's not as developed as, say, Sherman or Melissa, Anna, but it's a wonderful hometown area. People really like the slow moving, not big city vibes. We don't have a mud or a pit tax down here. And then our homes are very affordable with a great quality.
Absolutely. And I can definitely attest to that. I'm investing in this area personally. So I've been looking at the projected growth. Right now, population is about 8,000 people, but it's projected to grow 37% in the next 4 years. So I think a lot of people love the fact that, you can have opportunity to buy new construction out here. Taxes are low. Schools are amazing.
Schools are great.
And it gives that small town vibe out here. They do a lot of community events. It's very cultural. They've got all kinds of opportunities for just spreading out and being amidst community and parks that are coming down the pipeline. Tell us about your homes.
So K-Hov is a little bit different than a lot of traditional builders in the sense that we work off pallets. So we do the farmhouse and the loft palette in this community. So you can get different color fixtures. It correlates with cabinetry color, flooring color. That way you don't have to go to a design studio and you don't have to pick every single little detail of your home. We do all the hard work for you. And you can just come in, get a great quality, wonderful finish out, and really love how your home looks. And you can kind of pick and choose if you're doing a build job versus inventory homes. We try to curate different palettes and give lots of options for you to choose from.
It sounds like that might be an opportunity for someone to get a nice, beautiful home, but keep the cost at bay because they're not.
Absolutely.
You don't have the opportunity to go to a design center and see that price tick upwards. So
yes,
that's really cool.
It's built into the price for inventory homes, and even if you were to do a build job, it is not a drastic price difference between the base price and upgrading to all the upgrades that we offer.
Nice. So Michelle, I know that this area is very up and coming. It's new. It's opportunity for someone to come here, plant roots, and actually grow with the community.
Absolutely.
So if someone were in the market today, wanted to consider a Hovnanian home, tell us about your process for someone that wanted to maybe build a house versus buy something that's already ready to move in.
Okay, so when you walk in the door, I really just try to get to know somebody and get a feel for what you're looking for. I will ask questions like, where's your budget? What are the most important things to you? What does your time frame look like? Stuff like that. And from there, we can decide whether it's a better choice to do a build job or if you can go into an inventory home. Traditionally, inventory homes have most, if not all, the upgrades, and then they're also going to be way cheaper. So all the upgrades are built into the price, lot premium is built into the price already, and then it's discounted on top of that, and we can offer incentives on it. Versus a build job, you pick everything, but it's also going to be a little bit more expensive, and it's a little bit longer of a time frame. So about 4 to 6 months is our build job time frame, typically, give or take on the weather.
Got it. Okay. Now, one of the things that you mentioned that was unique about your product with Hovnanian is that you guys have pallets. So someone's not going to a design center where they could spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on options.
Correct.
Can you kind of give us an idea, give or take, for someone that would build a house? How much money are people typically spending because you've got limited options to choose from?
Yes, it depends on the options that you choose, the colors and the palettes, but it's nowhere more than few $1,000s. The most expensive upgrade that I have is a fireplace at about $5,000. Different brick will get a little bit of an upgrade if it's more expensive brick, if you add stone, stuff like that. But again, it's not going to be a drastic difference from the base price. You might have a few extra $1,000s on there, but nowhere near what you're going to spend at a design studio with a different builder.
I love that. So you have an opportunity to build a beautiful custom home that's not going to break the bank out here.
Absolutely.
Tell us, last question about your incentives, because you guys are doing something really cool. For you buyers that are on the fence right now, I want Michelle to talk through the incentive that they're running through the end of May.
It's super great. I've never seen an incentive like it in this community. I've never seen prices as low as we have right now in this community, but we're offering a $499 fixed rate plus a 2-1 buy down if you close on your home before May 31st. So you would be at a $299 fixed rate for the first year, $399 second year, and year 3 through 30, you will be at a $499 fixed rate. If you choose not to use that option, we have a bucket of flex cash we can use. I can always mix and match and do the rate plus some closing costs, so we can really work with you to find the best option.
I love that. I love that. Buyers, you guys that are on the fence, we have solutions. Get off that fence. Give me a call today. I'd love to bring them out to you guys to meet Michelle. She's amazing to work with. I know you would have a great experience either buying an inventory home or building a home with her. So give us a call today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.